Fire departments generally have the authority to cut the service drop conductors at the drip loop before the service point during a residential fire. This authority is typically granted by local ordinances or state regulations. Cutting the service drop conductors at the drip loop serves several purposes. Firstly, to prevent arcing and electrical hazards. Damaged conductors can create arcing and pose a risk of electrical shock or fire. Secondly, it allows firefighters to safely enter the building with the power disconnected. Firefighters can enter the building without the risk of electric shock. Thirdly, it protects emergency personnel and occupants. If the fire has damaged the electrical system, there is a risk of electrical shocks or fires. Typically, fire departments follow a specific procedure when cutting service drop conductors. Firstly, obtain permission. If possible, the fire department will attempt to obtain permission from the property owner or utility company before cutting the conductors. Secondly, use proper equipment. Firefighters use insulated cutters or other specialized tools to cut the conductors safely. Thirdly, secure the cut conductors. The cut conductors are secured away from any potential contact points to prevent arcing or shocks. Cutting service drop conductors is generally considered a safe procedure when performed by trained firefighters following proper protocol. However, it is important to note several things. Firstly, live conductors. Firefighters must always be aware of the potential for live conductors and take appropriate precautions to prevent electric shock. Secondly, gas lines. Cutting conductors near gas lines could create a fire hazard. Thirdly, alternative power sources. Firefighters should be aware of any alternative power sources, such as generators, that may still be active after cutting the service drop conductors. Fire departments generally have the authority to cut service drop conductors at the drip loop during a residential fire to ensure the safety of firefighters and occupants. This procedure is considered safe when performed by trained firefighters following proper protocols, taking into account potential hazards like live conductors and gas lines.